In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics on Shopify. To begin, go to Google Analytics and sign in with your Google account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the admin icon. This is the gear-shaped button where you manage account and property settings. Inside the admin area, click the blue Create Property button. A property is the main container Google Analytics uses to collect and organize data for your store, so this is an important part of the setup. Now enter your store name as the property name. After that, select your reporting time zone and your store currency. These settings help make sure your data is tracked in a way that matches how you run your business and review performance. When that is done, click Next. On the following screen, choose the industry category that best fits your store, then select your business size. These details help Google tailor the setup and reporting experience. After making your selections, click Next again. You will then be asked to choose your business objectives. For a Shopify store, an option like Drive Online Sales is usually the most relevant. This helps Google Analytics emphasize the reports and insights that are most useful for e-commerce tracking. Once you have selected your objective, click Create. After that, Google Analytics will take you to the Start Collecting Data section. Here you need to choose the platform where your data will come from. Since your Shopify store is a website, select Web. Next, enter your Shopify store URL. Be sure to use your actual store domain so the data is connected to the correct site. Then enter a stream name. A simple name like Shopify Store works well because it keeps things easy to recognize later inside your analytics account. Once both fields are filled in, click Create Stream. This creates your web data stream, which is the connection Google Analytics uses to start tracking activity from your Shopify store. At this point, the basic Google Analytics property and web stream setup is complete. Make sure the store URL is correct before finishing, because accurate setup at the start helps avoid tracking issues later. That covers everything you need to know.